Hello, this tutorial will show you how to create a Weebly account. You are going to go to www.weebly.com right here, and you're going to sign up for free. So you're going to put your name in. I'm going to create an account for Mr. Ringfeld. Your email. So use your student email. The student email is, again, your username, so last name, period, first initial, at student.jths.org. So there's going to be a different email going in here. And then use your student password for your password for Weebly. Then click Start It. Okay, you're going to select free because we don't want to pay for anything. The focus of your site is going to be site. And then choose your theme. You can choose any theme that you want. This is basically a template for design. And you can always go back and change your theme later. So I'm just going to choose this first one. And click Choose. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is choose your website domain. You're going to use a subdomain of Weebly because you have to pay for everything else. Now your web address is going to be your first name, followed by your last name, followed by the course. So if you're in English 2, it'll be English 2. If you're in English 3, it will be English 3. Okay? So notice it's all lowercase, no spaces. Then you can click Continue. Alright. You can skip out of this video or you can watch it if you'd like. It's just a little intro to Weebly. Okay, now to start making some changes to your site, you just need to click anywhere and it opens up the editing. Basically, editing is as simple as clicking, dragging, and dropping these elements along the left-hand side into your site. So the page we're on right now is your home page, which is going to function as the cover for your student portfolio, where we're going to post work that you do throughout the year. You're going to create a blog, and basically by the end of the year it'll be a record of everything that you studied and learned and all the work that you've created throughout the year. So anything that's currently in text you can click and edit, and notice how you get something that looks kind of like Microsoft Word that allows you to manipulate the text. But I'm just going to show you really quick how you can click and drag an element onto screen. Okay, so I just drag that text box, so that allows me to add text. Now, if I decide that I didn't want this element, I just hover over it. You get this blue box, and then there's a red X that appears on the right-hand side. You just click Delete, and it'll delete that web part. Okay, so you can browse through on the left-hand side here to see all the different web parts and content that you can add to your site. Just keep in mind, anything here that has this star, you need to pay for, so we don't want to actually do anything with that. Okay, now I'm just going to say, I'm going to change this to your Ringfeld site. Okay, any changes that you make need to be published. So after you're done making changes, you're going to click Publish. Okay, it's going to ask you again to choose your website domain. We've already done that, so we're going to click Continue. Okay, then it's going to ask you to categorize your website. You're going to choose Education. And then your category from there is going to be Class Project. And continue. Okay. Then it's going to ask you to verify that you are human. So just go ahead and type what is in the box. Hopefully I get this right. I'll click an M and an O. And then publish my site. Okay. Now every time that you press that publish button, this box is going to pop up, and this is another chance for Weebly to try to get you to pay for a site. So every single time you're just going to click out X. Okay. Now, if you wanted to go back to your home screen where all of your sites are, you're going to go to this triple bar icon here, click My Sites, and this is where you can see all the sites that you've created. Now, so to edit the site, you can just click on the link here, or you can go to Edit. This is the URL for your new website, so if you were to click on that, it would open a new screen and you can see your live site. So that's basically it. get this set up as soon as possible, and we are going to actually be using Weebly again tomorrow on Thursday. So take care of this before class on Thursday, and you'll be good to go.